Hey, Captain, just looking at the big picture in the north, the heat of homes is warm. Getting through the winter. The thing is, you know, they all this, you know,
I done also, my window broke. I can't roll it all the out.
Electric this and electric heat pumps and electric
yeah, it's rolled while ago when everybody coming up the highway and I didn't.
we have to buy our stuff.
I want to have them on back that thing
time
young.
to get the better price, and you never know what the market's going to fluctuate with. So it's like buying a cord of wood. Well, I'm telling you, you better get it early because, you know, and so it's all about, you know, the electricity. You have to provide that electricity with petroleum, fossil fuels, etc. So don't give me that thing about, you know, saving the world with electricity and, you know, carbon footprint and all that.
Who are we actually saving?
Right.
Not you and me, Rob. I hear you, brother. And thank you for the call. You're 100% right. The cost that is associated with heating a home, and I live in the Northeast.
They're not allowed to make
it's insane, and you don't really have an option. I mean, some people. I mean, brother.
I plan on getting that bulb in the morning when they open up.
He uses a wood burning stove.
It's hard to get it this time of night.
Alright,
appreciate y'all.
to cover the whole house, but he's got to make sure he's got the wood, and it's wood. But you can heat the home with some wood if you have a wood burning stove. But if you don't, guess what? You're screwed, right? You've got to buy propane.